Guys, in today's video, we're going to be installing some brand new headlights on the RIP Supercharged Charger. Got myself some of these Philips Crystal Vision Platinum. Here's the code for the part number, 90112. All right, got these for about mid $30 range on Amazon, and they're halogen, not LEDs. I currently have LEDs in here, but they have issues of like going in and out and flickering, and also the directional pattern of the light, the spread is terrible. Like, it's just like pointed out instead of directly in front of me. They're just terrible headlights. I got those on Amazon as well for around $50, but I wanted to get some diode dynamic LED headlights, but those are like $200, or for the V2s $260 currently, which in the future I'll probably get them, but for now we're just gonna go with some cheaper ones in the meantime. But these do project a white light. It's not that gross yellow tinted light, even though they're halogen, but they should work better in the headlight housing for these cars. So how the light's projected should be more like centered. So overall it should work better. But we'll test it out, and the price is right on these. Like I said, it was like $35 or $36 on Amazon for these. I haven't tried them out though, but we'll test these out. Well, let's get right into the installation. It's pretty simple and how to do it. I've seen some videos online where they're super extra, wanting you to like take off your fender liners and stuff. We're not going to be doing that. We're doing it the quick, easy way. All right, can you see up in here? Got this little circle piece on your headlight housing. All right, we're just gonna loosen that. Ugh, if I can get it. It's gonna be tough because we're doing it the easy way. I mean the hard way, but the easier, the more efficient way. All right, got that bad boy taken off, just unscrews. All right, then we're gonna reach into the hole and grab out the headlight. Jiggle her loose. Can't really see what I'm doing, just kind of feeling it out. There we go. Get these piece of crap ones I installed a few summers ago. We're just gonna get in this. This is prime footage right here. Just gonna unclip it, pull it out, and then here's the ones I had installed. I forget what brand they were, but yeah, these suck. Would not recommend. They were kind of good for like 2 weeks. All right, and then we're gonna slide these in. Try not to touch the actual bulb area. You can leave like fingerprints, and then it'll kind of burn onto it over time, and it just kind of ruins it. So just try not to get your mucky hands all over the bulb. We're just gonna clip it in, and then we're just gonna feel her out, feel for that little hole. And you're gonna have to put it in the hole and then twist it in to lock it in. So you kind of feel it set in place. And then you're just gonna have to twist it, and you can feel it out. Feels good. All right, that one I believe is in securely. So we're just gonna put the cap back on. Don't go taking out your fender liners just to do this. That's so extra. Just do it up top. As long as you got really fat sausage hands. Like, I got pretty big hands, right? And I can do this. So if I can do it, so can you. We're just gonna put that on and then turn it, lock that baby in. Hey! That side's already done. Now we go to the next side. The passenger side. It's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see it right here. There's that circle plastic piece. Well, that's what we're unscrewing. Ugh. All right. This one's really tricky. You're gonna have to hit it with some weird hand angles. I mean, you could take out your fender liners and then come in from underneath, but that seems really extra to me personally. All right, yeah, so this one twists towards. I guess it's screwing on this way, so you kind of want to righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, we got that other cap out just like that. All right, and then I'm reaching in the hole. You can see that bad boy right up in there. I'm just gonna turn it. You're just gonna have to trust me on this. It's hard to record it and get my hand to fit in there. But you can see the location, get an idea. We're just twisting it towards the hinge bay. So let's take it out. And there we got the other cruddy LED. If you get some LEDs, do yourself a favor. Don't waste your money on these crap ones on Amazon. All right, they don't work. All right, and we're just gonna plug it in just like that. You getting this? This is prime footage right here. It just clips in just like that. And then we're gonna slide it in its hole back where it came from, back into the dark abyss. We're just turning it into place. Now we're turning it right when we're putting it back in, because righty-tighty, all right? You guys should know this. Jeez. All right, and then that seems secure. And then we're gonna put the cap back on. Or are you trying to zoom in on that? We're just gonna slide it back into place. All right, this one will be a little bit tricky to get in. This side's a little tighter than the other side. All right, but we're not doing anything extra. We're not gonna be just taking our whole car apart just to switch out some headlights. That's freaking ridiculous. Some other advice I would give is make sure you can see the gasket on these circle pieces for the headlight housing. It's like a blue gasket. Just make sure it's sealed. You don't want water getting up in there. This side was tricky, but you see that those back plates are flush against it. So they are working, but I'll record them tonight. You can see it's white light, and those are, at least it's looking white. Yeah, you can see it kind of projecting right here. That's a white light. Yeah, turn off the lights, please. Oh, I don't even think they're on. This one's looking a little yellow on this side. I don't know what's up with that. But the light over here that's projecting is looking white. But I'm gonna record it, get a nighttime footage.